Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Slides. Today we're diving into something that usually gets explained in a super boring, jargon-heavy way: modern data architecture. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple so it actually makes sense. All right, imagine you're collecting data from everywhere: sensors, apps, websites, logs, everything. The first stop is the data lake. Think of it like a giant reservoir where you just dump everything, raw and messy. CSVs, images, audio files, sensor readings, all of it. You don't clean it yet because sometimes you don't even know what questions you'll ask later. Maybe tomorrow you want to run an experiment or a machine learning model and boom, all the raw stuff is there. Now what if we make that lake a bit smarter? Enter Delta Lake. It's basically a data lake that remembers everything. Version history, rollback if something breaks, it's got your back. Imagine accidentally uploading a messed up CSV. Delta Lake lets you fix it and even peek back at how things looked yesterday. Stress-free data. Next up, the data warehouse. This is where the polished, business-ready data lives. Everything here is cleaned, structured, and optimized for fast queries. Finance or marketing teams use this to answer questions like, how much revenue did we make last month? Or which region is killing it? Think Snowflake or Azure Synapse. Fast, reliable, and designed for analysis. Now let's talk data marts. Think of these as mini warehouses for specific teams. Marketing gets campaign metrics, HR gets employee data, finance gets revenue reports. Each team gets exactly what they need, fast, without digging through a giant warehouse. Then there's the data lakehouse, the cool new kid on the block. It's like combining the massive scale of a data lake with the speed and structure of a data warehouse. Store everything in one place and still run analytics, dashboards, or train ML models. Less moving around, more efficiency. Databricks Lakehouse or Google Big Lake are great examples. Let's stitch it all together quickly. Data lake equals raw, everything goes storage. Delta lake equals reliable, versioned, fixable. Data warehouse, clean, business-ready data. Data mart equals team-specific slices. Lakehouse, all-in-one, flexible, and fast. All right, side note, OLTP versus OLAP, because people mix this up. OLTP equals day-to-day transactions. ATMs, e-commerce checkouts, ticket booking, many small operations, fast and accurate. OLAP equals analytic systems. Why did sales spike? Or which product is hot? Heavy queries live here, not on OLTP. Inside OLAP, we deal with fact tables and dimension tables. Facts equals numbers, sales, revenue, quantity. Dimensions, context, who bought it, what, where, when. Combine them to answer questions like total sales by product category. Schemas, Star or Snowflake, help organize this efficiently. How does data move from OLTP to OLAP? ETL versus ELT. ETL equals extract, transform, load. Pull data, clean it, then load it, like prepping ingredients before cooking. ELT equals extract, load, transform. Dump raw data first, then transform inside the warehouse, like bringing raw ingredients into a big kitchen and cooking different dishes as orders come in. Of course, none of this works if your data is messy. Good data governance and quality checks are essential. Duplicate IDs, missing values, they'll ruin your reports. Keep things clean and track where your data comes from. Quick real-world example. An e-commerce company collects clickstream data, purchase transactions, and product info. Raw logs go to the data lake. Delta Lake ensures consistency and versioning. Engineers run ELT jobs into Snowflake. Marketing gets a data mart for campaigns. Data scientists query the lakehouse to train recommendation models. Everyone gets exactly what they need without crashing the system. So, to sum it up, collect everything, make it reliable, clean it for business use, slice it for teams, and pick the right tool for the job. Lakes for exploration, warehouses for reports, and lakehouses when you want both. If you want a follow-up video, I can walk you step by step from raw logs in S3 to a clean dashboard in Snowflake. Drop a comment and tell me which part you want first: data lakes, Delta Lake time travel, or building a data mart. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.